Good afternoon, traders. It is Tuesday, November 25th, 2014, and U.S. stock market is closed. We had a pretty darn good day today, and it feels really good. We've been struggling. We've been struggling, and today, with the Dow and the overall market pretty much drifting sideways, I think we picked up some decent profits. We had about $12,000 positive open trade equity from yesterday coming in, and by the time we closed that out, we closed out about $15,000. That's pretty good. I still am a little bit concerned because we have some of this problem with seeing our best equity at the beginning of the day and then seeing it kind of weaken as the day goes on. Shortly after the open, maybe 15 minutes, 10 minutes after the open, we had $19,000 moving to $20,000, and then it just tops out there and just kind of slides. And so when we finally get out, we don't have $20,000. We have $15,000. Still, $15,000 is a good day. And the thing is, what's different than what we were experiencing just a short time ago, this isn't going down to zero or to negative. We're still getting out pretty decent profits. So we just got to hang on. But I want to start seeing days where the market opens and our equity strengthens as the day goes on, not that it slides and gets a little bit worse. Anyway, we are carrying negative $1,000 going into tomorrow. Only 3 trades today that we got into, not a really lot of powerful up moves in the stocks that we're not in. So we only got 3 trades, slightly negative. I don't think that's going to be any problem. As I say, the Dow just moved sideways, ended up closing negative 3 points today. So it was basically a non-moving day for the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Anyway, we still got some good trades. Let's take a look at the chart. Okay, we're looking at the Dow here, and you can see here, we had this huge move on Friday, followed by a sell-off and then coming back. Still very strong close on Friday, and then we've gone into the sideways motion for the last 2 days. This was yesterday, of course, and this is today with the Dow closing negative 3. We're in very rarefied atmosphere here, and we are within striking distance now of 18,000 on the Dow, and that's going to be, that'd be a significant achievement for it to get up there, and we could get up there really quick if this thing cuts loose. It will cut loose out of this pattern one way or another, and I would say the odds favor an up move, but you never know. It could sell off a little, and I'm not worried about it selling off a little, but this has been, when I see this kind of thing, we're dealing with a very strong bull market. I'll show you a couple of the good trades that we had today. The first one is in Sears Holding Corporation. I'm showing you this. We had a horrible trade in Sears Holding Corporation a little while back, but this one looks pretty good. We had bought this yesterday, just after the first hour, and we had a profit yesterday. Look at this. This is kind of illustrates some of the difficulty that we're still having with these stocks when they are so high. We had this great open with Sears Holding, then it really sold off, and then it came back, and we got out of there. We got about $2,000 out of Sears Holding, which I'm not going to complain about it, and you can see what happened here at the end, so I'm happy to be out of that. That's why we're short-term traders. You know, let's take our profits and run. And I think that paid off good, but it's a shame that we can't get out up here, and I don't, you know, I'm getting sick of these opens that are faded right away, but at least they're not faded to a point of going negative on us. And then I'll show you our biggest trade today, and I had showed you this yesterday, but this just is well worth it. This is Straight Path Communications, and we had bought this yesterday on the pop-up, and it just kept going, closed very nice for us yesterday. We got a little extra money out of that today, and that is getting pretty close to $5,000 in profits in Straight Path Communications. So I am very pleased with this new stock that we're trading in. I think it's going to do very well for us. Anyway, nice day, $15,000 closed out profits. That's great. We just need a few more of those kinds of days, and that's going to put us in really good shape for the as we approach the end of the year. Anyway, this is Trader Bob. Hope things go as good as today, as good tomorrow as they were today. Yeah, I'll see you tomorrow, and let's see, that's going to be Wednesday.